A variable is an identifier that you can assign a value to, and that value is going to have a type. If you're coming from languages like C++ or Java, one of the things that you're familiar with is that you have to say what the type of the variable is when you declare the variable. And the type of the variable stays that way. Ruby is not like that. You can just assign a value to a variable and you don't need to give it a type, because Ruby is able to figure it out for you. This is called duck typing or dynamic typing. It's called duck typing because it means if it walks like a duck, swims like a duck, then it's probably a duck. And if it looks and acts like a string or an integer, then it's probably a string or an integer. So if I declare a variable x and assign it the value hello, I can use the class method to output the type of that variable. And Ruby is able to identify that it's a string. If I reassign it to the value 100 and output the type again, the interpreter is able to figure out that the type has changed from a string to a fixed num, which is a child of the integer class. Now I could change the type again using the toF method, which changes this to a float. And if I print it out, you can see that it's 100.0.